go, go. Sit on your bum. On your bum bum. And do go, go. You getting off? I wanted to get you on video. No. Where are you going? Yeah. Santa! Who's that? Is that Santa Claus? Can you say Santa? Santa. Santa. Oh, that's a present, but that's for somebody else. Haley, look at Mommy. Haley. Haley, can you do? Can you blow a kiss? Peace. What are you doing, baby girl? Oh, you can go through your diaper bag now. Haley, what does the duck say? What does the duck say? Haley. What does the duck say? Hello, I'm talking to you. Haley, icky. Icky. Haley. How come you're just ignoring me like I'm not even here? Hello? Haley, look at Mommy. What does the duck say? What does the duck say? Quack, quack, quack. A duck says, quack, quack, quack. Well, Haley. Haley. Can Mommy have a hug? Can you come here and give Mommy a hug? Come to Mommy, give me a hug. Oh, you're so sweet. No, a hug. I want cuddles. What? I love you. Yeah, she's into everything. Big troublemaker. Are you a troublemaker, Haley Grace? Is that the mail? Are you going to pay the bills for Mommy?
No.
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 Mom.
No.
Mama. Haley, what else have you started saying? You can say tiger. 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 Very good. Can you say cat? No. How about Santa? We say Santa? Can you point? Point to Santa. Haley. Who's that? Who's that man? Is that Santa? Haley. Go, go, go. She doesn't sit still for 1 second. I love you. Okay. Love you. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.